How to design this animated presentation using Canva.
So at first you have to go to video, then you have to select video option, which is 1920 by 1080. Canva will open a blank canvas. So the first step is you have to add some shape. I will take this square shape. I'll take one, then I will resize it. I will duplicate it. I will change the color to yellow. The first one I will take a little bit, then I will again duplicate this. I will place it first, then I will change the color. I will take, that's it. Okay, now I will put some information here, but before that I will go to elements to take a circle photo frame. In the elements you will find frame, see all frame. You can take any one from this. I will take circle frame. To each of these, right, I'll duplicate it. I'll place it again in the middle. Again I will duplicate it and it is automatically placed. Now I'll drag it to the frame. Okay, now I will place their name. So I'll add a text, add a heading. At first I will place the Mark Zuckerberg. I will reduce some space between the line. I will change the font color, now font style. I will bold it a little more to make it clear to see. Okay, now it is much better and clear to see. You can also change the color. You can place white. If you want, you can add some effect. I will duplicate this name, place it here. Okay, name is already placed, right? Now I have added their name. Now I'm going to bring the full data. We'll just duplicate it, place it to Jeff Bezos. Now I will duplicate it again. Net worth of Mark Zuckerberg. Now it's time for resize or reposition the photos. Select the first photo, go to edit. Okay, I'll find crop here. That's it. Now select the image, go to crop and change the position. Done. Again select the image, go to crop and change their position. That's it. Now I'm going to select this, group them all. I will separately group them all with their respective photo and frame. So now I will bring them together at the left side of the canvas and I will hide them. I will just keep a little portion of these shapes. Now I will duplicate this page and I will replace the shape and pictures on the same position. Now I will add a word welcome on the first page. Now I will increase the first page duration and I will reduce text duration. I will go to show time and reduce the text duration. After that I will add an animation to the text and I will use move transition between this page.